All right, everyone, if you have these cracks in your sub-assemblies on these panels here, maybe from doing a little too many jumps, I'll show you how to get them fixed up. Well, let's get into it. First, get yourself a wire wheel, clean them all up so they're all clean. Then I'll show you how to weld them up. All you gotta do is little tacks. You don't wanna do a continuous weld or else it'll warp the panels and then they won't close up nice and tight with each other. Now I'll finish it up and we'll grind it off and show you what it looks like. And just like that, it's all fixed up. Gaps are all filled in. I couldn't quite get everything out because it's super close to all these other little pieces here with the angle grinder. So I had to use one of these little guys here. Came out good. And if you want to see this 1981 4x4 restored and straight axle swapped, head on over to Keeks Custom Builds.